Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Rodriguez here. This video will help you to understand how to install Google Meet and what are the proper steps to use it. Hope it will help you all. Let's start. So first of all, we have to go to our Google Play Store and search for an app named Meet. Once you find it, click on it. If it is not installed on your phone, it will ask you to install. Then click on install. It will take some time to install. If it is already installed on your phone, you will see open button, then you can skip this step. So it will take some time to install. As we know, in this pandemic, we are at home and working from home. This app will help us to do video conferencing. For us, it will help us to attend many webinars and FDP program organized by many institutions. So it is going to be a need of the time. So let's now start using the app. If you are attending any webinar, then the organizing committee must have shared meeting joining link with you. In our case, it is in WhatsApp. So we'll open it and click on joining link. Your phone will ask you which application to be used for opening this link. If you see Meet, click on it. If not, go to more and click on Meet. Then app will ask you for mic and camera permission. Click allow. You will see entry screen. If you are only participant, then click on mic and camera button. It will switch it off. Then you will see two buttons, ask to join and present. Click on ask to join. And somebody from the organizing committee, who is the host of the meeting, will accept you into the meeting. Once you are accepted, you will enter into the room. So now we enter into the room. Here you will see two sections. In the lower section, that is in white color, you will see the list of participants, and in the upper section you will see the speaker or the screen presented by the speaker. If you are a participant, then touch the upper section and check that your mic and your camera is off. That means it is in red color. Then the second most important thing for all the participants is that you have to search the speaker into the participant list. When you find the speaker, click on their name. Then you will see three options. That you will see the pin button over there. Click on the pin button. This will pin speaker screen on your phone. That means if anybody else is doing anything else or any other activity during the meeting, you will not get disturbed. You will always see the screen of the speaker or the speaker, so you will not get disturbed into the meeting. Finally, when you want to end the meeting, click on the white and red color, that is a receiver button. When you click on it, your meeting will get ended. Hope this video will help you. Thank you very much for watching the whole video.